Welcome back to Traders 20 on ET Now.
Well, very quiet for the benchmarks, and it's no exception for the broader markets as well. And this has been very evident for the past many sessions or so. Today is no exception, although the broader markets are eking out a very marginal gain. It's just about 7 points. So nothing to really shout home about. Which are the stocks which are on the downside in the broader markets? Take a look at HCL Infosystems. The bleeding is relentless on the back of those dismal numbers that it posted. So 6% off as we speak. Your problem stock Suzlon features on the list as well. So 3.5% has been knocked off. Moser Baer not holding up, and you've got some of the pharma stocks, which aren't doing too well, the likes of Wockhardt. Apart from that, you've got Apollo Hospitals, Wellspun, as well as Balrampur Chini on the downside. Gaining is Deccan Chronicle Holdings. There is talks of some resolution coming about. Motherson, Sumi, Sterling Biotech, as well as BEML.
Well, let's now get in Sandeep Wagle and Prakash Kaba with their top 3 picks. Good morning, gentlemen. Sandeep, I'll first come to you with your top picks for today and the reason behind selecting them.
Good morning. I have a sell in Bank Nifty August futures, stop loss of 10,372, target of 10,125, playing for a 200 point downside and take a risk of around 60, 70, 75 points. A clear triangular pattern breakdown in the hourly charts. I have a sell in JINDAL Steel, a stop loss of 396, target of 372, a lower top lower bottom structure formation in the daily charts and downside breakdown very evident, and a buy in Apollo Tyres, stop loss of 94.50, target of 105, a multiple resistance breakout of a flag pattern in the daily charts with volumes that suggests a further up move.
Okay, so that's one sell coming in and two sells and one buy, and it's quite the contra for Prakash. Prakash, what are you recommending?
Well, like to recommend one sell and two buys perhaps here. ABAN Offshore looks weak to me. It's more of an exhaustion pattern up there. Around 420 zones is quite exhausted and slide down. 400 seems to be a very strong resistance zone. That's the place we would have a stop. And on the downside, we could see levels to about 385, 380 zones in the days to come. So ABAN is a sell. I like ANDHRA paper. ANDHRA paper purely because I like the structure near the lows closer to around 300 zones. It's seen a good up move, no doubt. It's holding out pattern. I would have a very tight stop at the levels of 320, 319 zones. That's the place. And give it a day or two, maybe 3 days, we could see ANDHRA paper climb up to levels closer to around 350. And indicators have actually given a buyout here. And third is the DISHMAN Pharma. Looks good to me, a pharma pack. All pharmas are doing well, so is DISHMAN doing well. I would have a stop below these levels of 95 and expect to cross 100. 100 seems to be a psychological resistance, but a fresh buy signal has emerged here. So maybe we will see a crossing of the 100 mark, and maybe we can see levels closer to 103, 105 in the days to come.
Alright, so those are some ideas coming in from Prakash Kaba. Thanks very much, Prakash and Sandeep, for those ideas. Well, with that, we slip into another break on Traders 20. But joining us on the other side are Rajat Bose as well as Deepak Mohoni with their top picks.